Hello everyone, welcome to Eyes and Trades. Today what we're gonna see is how to analyze the trend and how to place an entry in the trend and how to continue the position in the trend, how to hold the position in the trend. So let me explain first how to identify the trend. And the uptrend looks like this. The price should always make higher highs and higher lows. That is called uptrend. Like let's look at here the high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. This is called as an uptrend. So this is how uptrend forms. So what is downtrend? Let me explain what is downtrend. So coming up here, what is downtrend? So price should make lower lows, lower highs. This is called downtrend. When the price is making lower lows and lower highs, this is called downtrend. If you can see it here, the price makes lower highs, lower lows. For example, we can see it here in the chart itself. So let me demonstrate here. So what here happened is price so let me explain you. So price created a high and low and low and low, higher low. So this is how it looks. Not exactly as we draw here. So this is how price looks. So what we can see is here, price made a low and price made another low, then high is lower than the previous high. You can see it here. So that's how price, we can identify the price as an uptrend or downtrend. So then we're gonna what we're gonna do is how to get into an entry. So first thing, you need to go into daily. So let me clear all this. So it's clear now. So first of all, the thing we need to understand in daily is the same thing we saw in our oral. We need to know the trend, whether it is an uptrend, whether it is a downtrend. So here we can see the price is making higher highs. So the prices, so we can able to know the price is an uptrend at here, right? The price made an higher high and a higher low. You can see the low here is an higher than this low. So in this area we can able to identify whether the price is an uptrend or downtrend. So what we're gonna do is, coming back to the 4 hour time frame, so we can able to see clearly how price has made and higher highs in daily, and now we can simplify the entry. Let's see how we can able to enter. Let me clear these drawings. So now we can able to see clearly, this is the high that has been broken in the daily. So now we're gonna look for another high. This is another high that has been broken in daily. So now what we're gonna do is identifying the strongest support for entering into the buys. So we're gonna see how we're gonna enter into the buys. The first thing I'm gonna do is marking and support and resistance areas here. So let me mark this areas. So these are the zones we have here. So first thing we're gonna look is price pushed higher and break the top and made it back and came back down to the resistance, it came back to the support and made a little consolidation and pushed back down and came back to the another resistance and pushed again down. Then there is no tap in the support or resistance. Price has been pushed higher. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the Fibonacci. So when the price is doing an uptrend, the overall retracement point should be the 50, more than a 50% retracement is done, then the price is ready to go up. After taking this lows, what we can know is the price should continue higher from here. So what is the confirmation of that? So here the thing called support, it breaks. When the support breaks, it will become resistance. When the resistance breaks, it will become support. Likewise, you can see it here. This support here is braked, and then after it becomes the resistance. Price tapped here and pushed down. So likewise, the price pushed down, it will become, this area will become the resistance area, and again price pushed higher and break the area, then this area will become what? Then this area will become support. So we're gonna place our entry at the area of this high broken and riding till this high. This is a nice 1:3 reward, risk to reward trade. Likewise, we're gonna expect another trade. So there is no continuous pattern is going to happen in the market. You need to understand the market. Each and every day market reacts differently. So next thing what we can see is here, price break this high. When price break this high, what we have is here is the resistance we have here. So this is the resistance. Price reacted two times, price reacted and braked. Once the resistance is braked, it will become a support. So, and we have the confirmation here, the price break the high, and next thing we're gonna do is we wait for the price to come back into the zone we are expecting. So this is the, wait a minute. So this is the area of support. Now we are expecting the price to come back. As we are expecting the price came back to the zone, then we are placing our entry at the zone and keeping the stop below some recent lows. So then we're gonna look for some highs back there. So this is a high, so I'll run the push until that. So this is how you can demonstrate pretty awesome trades. First thing is you need to understand the trend. That is very, very, very important. So next thing we're gonna see is how to understand the trend switch and the trends, where the trend switch would happen. I will teach you that in the next video. And before that we'll go and see some example for charts also. So for a short trade, where can I explain the short trade? Yeah, let me explain the short trade. So here's the thing. So what happened here is there is a support here, right? There is a support here and there is some resistance here. So what happened here is price break the high, right? Price break the high, and what we are thinking is price should continue high going by from here. So we are expecting to take the buy position here and the position gets stopped out. Then there is a switch in the trend. So we should understand what we're gonna do next. So there are two zones here. This zone, the support which has been broken is known as resistance now, and there is a common thing called this as resistance. So the price went back and tapped into the resistance here, and from there after a confirmation, so what we gonna do is gonna take the short position from here. Here the examples, these are the simple examples of taking. I'll teach you in the upcoming videos how to enter precisely and how to enter in a very good manner, which keeps you in a profitable, which keeps you as a profitable trader. I'll explain in the upcoming videos. So this is enough for today, I think. I will upload videos later. Thank you.